Hello guys, Brenzo here. Just a quick run through between these two multi-tools from Leatherman, the Wave Plus and the Surge. Okay, so we're going to also talk about the ratchet driver, bit driver extender, and the bit kits. Okay, so first off, let's start with this Surge. This is a black oxide 21-in-1 tool made in USA. Okay, so this one is a Wave Plus 18-in-1 tool, black oxide. Okay, so it has an all flat screwdriver, small and large, a file that is removable. You can put any T-shank blade here. It comes with a saw. I'm going to show you that later. Straight knife, serrated knife, a large scissors. Okay. Large bit driver, flatten Phillips. Okay, strip cutter, wire stripper, can bottle opener. Same thing with Wave. The only difference between the two, in terms of the tools, are this one. It has a small bit driver and a small scissors and a fixed saw. Okay, let me put this down. Okay, all right, so this one is a pre-owned Surge. You may notice a lot of scratches. Those are expected with any black oxide finish of Leatherman tools. It gets better over time. It is a coating that is more durable, and yeah, it looks more masculine. Okay, so this one, okay, pre-owned. This one is a brand new Wave Plus small bit adapter. This one is for eyeglasses, flatten Phillips. Okay, flat screwdriver, spring action scissors. Okay, all right, and then same thing, wire stripper, can bottle opener, bit driver, flatten Phillips. Okay, you may notice my hand because this one is brand new. So the coating, the black oxide, it looks like a charcoal. So you can see it transfers to my hand. Okay, so this one has a fixed diamond file. Okay, straight knife, serrated knife, and a fixed saw. Okay, between the two, you definitely will notice the difference in its size and the weight. It's a lot heavier. 18-in-1, 21-in-1, both made in USA, as expected. What else? I also noticed how huge the knife. I mean the blade. Okay. Yeah, it's longer, and I'm not sure if you can see that in the camera. Thicker, a bit thicker. Okay. All right. So Surge pre-owned. This one is brand new. Okay. Let's talk about this ratchet driver. This one is a three-way ratchet driver. It has a magnet inside. Okay. So three-way. This one is for loosening. Okay, you can see there. Okay, turn here, turn this part. This is going to have a lock, left, right. Okay, lock. Turn again. This one is for tightening. Okay, all right, so this one is a bit standard. Same thing, it has a lock there, same in length. Okay, and then the 21 bit kit, 21 pieces bit kit. Okay, has a torch, Phillips, flat, and hex. Also comes with this flat and Phillips eyeglass screwdriver. Okay, The surge comes with this moly sheet. Okay, the attachment is here, a bit and a removable, or a bit and a what do you call this, a T-shank blade. Okay, you can purchase any type of T-shank that you can attach to your surge. Okay, all right. Okay, this one. Okay, so these are the sealed surge and Wave Plus stainless. Okay, for close up, stainless. All right. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. This is Brenzo from Brenzo Gears and Gadgets. 0917-634-5916. Enjoy your day. Salamat.